Hello friends, how are you doing? And in this quick tutorial, we will fix speaker problem or low sound problem in Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3. So before starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for latest videos. So if you are facing low sound problem or your speaker is not working in Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3, simply first of all you just need to tap on settings. So first just tap on settings and then follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video to fix speaker not working problem.